Well, you have to show us what to do.
Well, Mom, it's pretty basic.
Well, for you, maybe.
Because you press the red button to record,
Yeah.
and the play button to play, and then the... Here, Mom, you gotta turn it on.
It has to be.
Well, you told me it was easy. You push the red button.
First thing
You have to
first
charge
is
it.
batteries.
Ooh, set
It's
that
on.
in there.
Is it?
Thank
is it
you.
Like
That's
the lights, or is
too
it
cool.
Nice.
Oh yeah.
And it
So
takes
we're
what,
looking at,
16 minutes? Is that what you said?
60.
Oh,
60.
60
hour.
minutes.
The infinity view.
Well, now, if the instructions are in there, you better.
This is
Is it working?
with you guys.
Oh, it's working.
There's also the
And then, Mom, see, look. See, then you press play.
Okay, 'cause
Mom!
you broke it. Because you won't let me look at it. Carson, my eyes don't
break
set the
it.
same way. Okay, that's what you did?
Yeah, and if you want to erase it, you just press erase. But then
just
you
press
can just
stop.
press play, and then you go, and it's ready. And then you
Okay.
can film her.
But then I press.
and you
Watch
can
instantly
film
on
Dad.
TV, make DVDs.
You know
Don't know how
that
that
Gary and I go to the show choir competitions? This is perfect.
Yeah.
This
red,
is
but
perfect.
I don't know.
Well, I don't
It's not
know
that
what
bad
showed
for
up.
being a little tiny.
I was going to say what
What-
showed up
what
on the
Brian
computer
did,
that we saw
yeah.
looked great.
I made up my own little film.
That's pretty cool.
have fun, make videos,
Thank you.
share them with
Thank
Jimmy
you.
2.0, and see what we come up with.
Great. Thank you very much. And this is from, is this from My Home 2.0?
My Home 2.0.
Great. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. That's cool.